Good morning everyone. I am welcoming all the students of class 3. Today we are going to start chapter 2 part 4. Please take out your computer book. So yesterday we have started chapter 2 part 1 and part 2. Now we are going to start chapter 2 part 4. Okay. Page number 22. You can take out page number 22. Moving desktop icons. To move the desktop icons, follow the following step. Yesterday we have learned operating system and desktop background, icons, taskbar. So today we are going to learn how to move desktop icons. Okay. To move desktop icons, follow the following step. How to move desktop icons? You have to follow the steps. जो आपका कंप्यूटर में icons है, you can move these icons with the help of these steps. Step 1, click on the icons to be moved. You have to click these icons and you can move the icons. Step 2, without releasing left button of the mouse, drag icons to the locations it needs to be placed. Without drag left mouse, without dragging the mouse, you have to move these locations. जहाँ पर आपको left, you have to click left mouse. Okay, left mouse and left. Without releasing the left button of the mouse, you don't have to remove the button of your hands. When your hands is in your mouse, आपको वो remove नहीं करना. जब आप left click करेंगे एक बार में, तो आपको यहाँ तक जहाँ आपको icons, when your icons need a location, जहाँ आपको location, जहाँ तक आपका locations है वहाँ तक आपको रखना है without moving the buttons. Now release the mouse button. Now your icons is in correct place, so you can move your mouse like this. You can move this mouse now. So that's how you can change the desktop icons. Follow the step. Those who have computer at home, you can do this exercise work. Sorting icons. How to sort icons? Now sorting the icons means arranging the icons on the desktop. Sorting the icons means arrange karna. So arranging the icons on the desktop. How to arrange icons on the desktop? So follow the rules. You have to follow this. Follow the following step to sort the icons. First you have to follow the steps. So you can see in your book also. You have to follow these steps also. Page number 22, you can see that there are some pictures. So step 1, right click anywhere on blank area of the desktop. You can right click on your mouse. जो mouse button में right click है, आपको कहीं भी आप click कर सकते हैं. Okay, on the desktop. Then a pop-up menu appears. Select the sort by option. And when you click right button, there will be appear some options. You can see the options also. And now you have to step 2, click the choices given in the menu to arrange the icons in the order. You have to choose the menu option. जहाँ पर यहाँ पर दिया sort by. You can see the sort by, and here is some option. Here is some name, size, item type and date notified. यहाँ पर आपको menu option दिखा जाएगा. You can see the menu option and you can select the menu option also. Okay. Now that's how you can arrange the icons on the desktop. Okay. First you have to click right click mouse button. Then then the menu will appear here. Then you can select the item, select the menu, sort by. Then you can arrange your icons on the button, icons on the desktop. Now mouse pointer shapes. Moving the mouse, changing the mouse pointer moving the mouse, changing the mouse pointer positions also called cursor. Moving the mouse, changing the mouse, we can call cursor line. Okay. On the the screen, the pointer has a variety of shapes. Pointer has a variety, बहुत सारा variety का shapes होता है, okay? Which indicates its current behavior. When your mouse pointer change variety of action, variety of shapes, that indicates the behavior of current behavior of mouse. Okay, you can see this. Moving the mouse, changing the mouse pointer position is also called cursor. We can call cursor. Now on the screen, the pointer has a variety of shapes. This pointer, you can see this pointer, the pointer has variety of shapes, बहुत सारा shapes होता है, which indicates the current behavior. That pointer indicates you the behavior, current behavior. Okay. Here are some example current behavior. Like for example, there is variety of symbol, variety of line. For I have told you already. Moving the mouse, changing the mouse pointer. There are variety of shapes. Like when you want to click something, when you are going to downloading some movies, so वहाँ पर busy line, जब computer busy होता है तो this appears on your computer, on your desktop. Appears when the computer is busy and your instructions are in waiting. When you are doing something in your computer, that computer appears when the computer is busy. जब computer busy होता है तो आपको ये symbols दिखा जाएगा. Okay. Now normal helps in pointing, selecting and dragging icons and other items on the screen. When you want to drag something icon, when you want to drag or selecting or pointing in your computer, this arrow, this normal arrow will see. You can see in your computer. Okay. Double-headed arrow helps in resigning the window or a picture. This arrow, you will see this double-headed arrow. Now beam indicates that you can add text in this area. For example, you have write some words and there is some space. यहाँ पर जब space है, this sign indicates you that you can add some text also, add some words also. Okay. Now four-headed arrow. This is four-headed arrow. This helps you to move pictures and toolbars. This four-headed arrow helps you to move pictures and taskbar. Okay. Working in background. This is the working in background. This is that symbol. Shows that the computer is processing something while you are working. While you are working something that your instruction is in processing on your computer. Okay. So these are the shapes, pointer shapes along with their meanings. This is the meanings of pointer shapes. You can see this. Now changing desktop background. How to change your desktop background? The background image on your desktop screen is called the desktop background. The background on your desktop is called the desktop background. You can change this image according to your choice. You can change this image also. आप ये background image change भी कर सकते हैं with the help of this hint. Now Windows 7 provides a wide variety of images to choose from. Windows 7 have variety of images that you can choose and you can change your background. First, to change the background image, follow the following step. You have to follow the steps. Step 1, right click anywhere on the desktop, drop down menu while. So you have to click right button on your mouse, then you can see the menu appear there. यहाँ पर menu आपको दिखाया जाएगा बहुत सारा. So step 2, now what you have to do, now click on personalize button. You have to click personalize button. Step 3, in the new window click on the desktop background. You have now new window desktop background, you have to click there. Step 4, choose a background pictures. Now you have to choose these background pictures. And step 5, when you choose and you select these pictures, you have to save there, save changes. You have to click here, save changes में आप लोग click करेंगे तो उसके बाद क्या होगा, you have your background, you have your another background, varieties of background images are there in Windows 7. Okay, that's how you can change your desktop background. Okay, so we have finished moving desktop icons, sorting icons, mouse pointer shapes, and these are the shapes of meanings, pointer shapes meaning. You can learn in your book also. Changing how to change desktop icons, I have told you. First you have to right click on your desktop and personalize the button and select the desktop background. You have to select, you have to open. Now you have to choose the pictures. There are some pictures, you have to choose the pictures and you have to select them, and you can save changes. You have to do, last step is save changes, then your desktop background will be changed. Okay, so for today this much. Thank you, have a good day.